Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will walk you through on how to turn text into memes using AI meme generator. Want to turn your words into rib-ticking memes? Let's dive into the world of AI meme creating using supermeme. To begin, open your browser and navigate to supermeme.ai. If you haven't already logged into your account to access the meme making magic, once you're in the dashboard, spot the text to meme option. Give it a click and get ready to craft your meme masterpiece. Here's where your creativity shines. Type in the text that you want to transform into a meme. Let your imagination run wild and don't hold back on the humor. Once your text is ready, hit the generate button. Hold on for just a moment and prepare to be amazed. Behold, right before your eyes, you will witness the AI's artistic prowess as it brings your words to life in the form of a hilarious meme. With a few simple steps, you have successfully turned text into a side-splitting meme using the power of AI. Share your creation and spread the laughter with friends and followers. So, why wait? Give it a try on supermeme and let the meme making fun begin. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.